So you want to make $100 a day using AI without writing a single line of code? Good news! AI is doing most of the heavy lifting these days, and people are making serious money with tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Canva. And no, I'm not talking about those shady AI money hacks that never actually work. I'm talking about real, proven side hustles that you can start today. By the end of this video, you will have 3 simple AI-powered business ideas, step-by-step strategies, and real examples of people already making money with them. Grab a coffee, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. Number 1. AI-powered content creation. AI-powered blogging and content writing. First up is AI-powered content creation. Content is king, and businesses need SEO-optimized blog posts, product descriptions, and newsletters every single day. But guess what? They don't have time to write them. That's where you come in. Here's how to turn it into a $100 per day gig. Step 1. Use ChatGPT or Claude AI to generate high-quality articles. Step 2. Refine the content. Add personality. Check for AI detection. Use undetectable AI or Quillbot. Then step 3. Offer your services on Fiverr, Upwork, or Medium's partner program, or even start your own niche blog. Pro tip: people will pay $50 to $200 per post if you specialize in high-demand topics like tech, finance, or health. Side hustle number 2. Selling AI-generated social media content. Now, if writing isn't your thing, here's another way: AI-generated social media posts and templates. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to generate viral tweets, LinkedIn posts, or Instagram captions. Step 2. Use Canva's AI tools to create stunning carousels and templates. Step 3. Sell pre-made social media packs on Etsy, Gumroad, or even to small business owners. AI-powered digital art and print on demand. Our side hustle number 3 is AI-generated print-on-demand designs. If you're even a little creative, this one's a gold mine. AI-powered print-on-demand. Print-on-demand means selling custom designs on t-shirts, mugs, and posters without ever handling inventory. AI tools like Midjourney, Leonardo AI, and Canva can generate stunning, original artwork in seconds. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Use Midjourney or Canva AI to create designs for t-shirts, hoodies, or posters. Step 2. Upload them to platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printify. Step 3. Use ChatGPT to write product descriptions and SEO-friendly titles. Hot tip: niche designs sell better. Think pet lovers, anime fans, or funny coffee quotes. Some AI designers are making $5,000 a month from print-on-demand alone. Number 3. AI automation for passive income. Side hustle number 4 is AI-powered YouTube automation. For full-length video on that, check out the description. Here's a crazy idea. What if you could run a YouTube channel without ever showing your face? With AI, you can. YouTube automation is blowing up, and AI tools make it 10 times easier. Use ChatGPT or Jasper AI to write video scripts. Use 11 Labs or PlayHD for AI-generated voiceovers. Use Pictory or Runway AI to create video content automatically. There are many faceless YouTube channels making $5,000 a month with AI-generated content in niches like motivational videos, tech news, and history documentaries. A monetization tip is to combine your YouTube ad revenue with affiliate marketing for extra earnings. Side hustle number 5 is AI chatbots for business. Businesses spend a fortune on customer support, but AI chatbots can do the job for free. Step 1. Use ChatGPT plus BotPress or ManyChat to build a simple chatbot. Step 2. Sell it to small businesses, restaurants, coaches, personal trainers, and e-commerce stores. Step 3. Charge $50 to $200 per chatbot setup or even monthly fees for maintenance. So there you have it, 5 AI-powered side hustles that you can start making you $100 a day or more. There's a quick recap: AI blogging and content writing, selling AI-generated social media content, AI-powered print on demand, AI YouTube automation, selling AI chatbots to businesses. And the best part? No coding, no big investment, just smart AI tools and a little hustle. If you found this video helpful, hit like and please subscribe for more AI side hustle ideas. Drop a comment below. Which tool are you looking to make money? I'll see you in the next one.